Kigali! Kigali! Are you there? Let me see your flags. Kigali! I don't feel you. I don't feel you. Kigali! Are you there? Monsieur David Lapartien, président de l'Union cycliste internationale, Excellencies, ambassadors, distinguished ladies, guests who are here, the people of Rwanda, the people of Kigali, good morning. Ngaramutse. Muraho. It is my honor to welcome all of you on behalf of Government of Rwanda to this 2025 UCI World Road Championship happening for the first time in Africa here in Kigali. This is going to be a special week where we are going to have the best riders in the world that are going to be riding across our country, Kigali, in the hills and valleys, where they're going to meet the challenge that goes up to 5,400 meters of elevation, the first they've ever met. This is going to be a course that promised to be both beautiful and challenging. So I'm really honored to say welcome to the 110 nations that have gathered here, around 996 riders that are in this city, and the visitors that have come to join us in this historic moment. Let me tell you something special again about this ride. It is the first time we are going to have the women under 23 road race joining the World Championship. I don't think it's a coincidence that it's happening in Kigali, in Rwanda. This has been a country where, under the leadership of a statesman, His Excellency, the President Paul Kagame, women promotion, women empowerment and promotion has been part of his exemplary leadership. I mean, who is standing here? This is a woman, and this is the product of our leadership. Let's congratulate for him. I want also to take a moment to thank you, Monsieur Lapartien, for really meeting your commitment to bring the World Championship in Africa. We thank you for your leadership. We thank you, UCI team, Rwandan Federation of Cyclism, and all of you, cyclist enthusiasts, for this historical moment. I want also to thank everybody, organizing team, and every man and woman who has been part of this. It is just a beginning, and we are sure that your commitment to this will continue. A special thanks to our sponsors and partners, without whom this would not have been possible. Let's clap for them. This has been an effort of collaboration, of commitment and dedication of so many players, and we are very, very grateful for that. I want to give a special thank to all of you fans. Kigali! You're the ones who are going to make this special, as we'll be cheering for the riders across the city, showing them the hospitality of Rwanda, the love of sport, and the commitment we have to continuing this. For Rwanda, hosting this World Championship, it's not only an event, it's a commitment to the future. It's a commitment to the next generations that are going to be part of this sport movement. We believe in sports as a driving force for unity, for commitment, and for socio-economic development. So we are here celebrating our statement and the commitment to the future. I want once again to thank everybody and really extend a warm welcome to all the riders. It's going to be a celebration of sport, riding new heights in this Rwanda, and this is how we do it. Kigali, show your way. Kigali, welcome to the 2025 UCI Road World Championship. Thank you very much.